Think of a name, a dead person's name. Think of a place. Think of something you really want. Think of an ideal job. Think of your mother's maiden name. Think of your address. Think of the name of your firstborn child. Think of a fantasy. Yeah, any fantasy you might have, and write it on this little card. It's simple, just there's a little flap, we'll make it into an envelope. Write it on the card, fold it in half, and make sure the little flap is sealed over so no one can read it, especially me. Make sure it's folded and hand me the little card. I want to point out before we start that you can't see through this side of the card, you can't see through this side of the card, and as long as that little flap is down, it's completely sealed. So what I'd like you to do is take one of those paper clips over there, slide it on here yourself, and keep the card throughout your reading. Wait a minute. I see it all now.